In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host this HTML and CSS website for free. So we have a bunch of different ways to do this, and the easiest way is GitHub pages. So let's go to the github.com. Here we go. This is my GitHub account, and now click here in the profile and click here in the repositories. Click here in the new and give it a name. Click here create repository, and here you will find option called upload an existing file. Click here. Now drag and drop the file here. So we are going to select all the file here and we are going to drag and drop it here. Make sure your file name is index.html. Okay, you have at least one file called index.html. So if you have home.html, just rename it to index.html. Okay, now commit changes. Here we go. Now we will actually click here in the settings, and in the left side you will find option called pages. So click here, and here you can see the source. You will find option deploy from the branch. So just select very first one, and that is GitHub Actions. So click here and you will find something like this. In the right side you will find static HTML. So click here configure. Now click here commit changes. Click here commit changes, and here we go. Add GitHub Actions workflow for static site deployment. Now what you have to do, you have to actually click here in the actions. So click here actions, and here you can see it's working. This color will turn into the green color. Okay, and when it will be green, then we can actually access our website, and this is totally free. There you go. Now it's turning to green, right? Now we click here, and here you can see deploy. So if you click here in this link, it will actually take you to the website. I hope this video will help you. If so, make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.